Now, here at home, it may be hard to believe, but this damage was not caused by a tornado. Still, though, powerful winds from yesterday's storm sent debris flying and brought down a wall down at a pharmaceutical company.
And today, we're getting a better look at the damage as the cleanup gets underway. NBC4's Tyler Beckham has been talking with those in the path of the storm. He's live now with their stories and just some incredible damage, Tyler.
Can you believe this, Colleen? I mean, the cinder block walls, the sections that were blown out, they're about 50 by 50 feet. There are two of them here. Restoration crews made pretty quick work of things. You can see things look much different than we saw earlier today. And they were able to put up sections of the chain link fence all the way around here, this side perimeter, to make sure that nothing is stolen and that people are safe. Of course, this is a safety risk as well. As we come down here and pan inside, look at this gaping hole here. You can see 2 stories inside the building there. We talked to a man who works next door. His name is Jamie Keys, and he was just as surprised as we were when we showed up here earlier today and noticed that his building had no damage at all.
Well, they told me last night that we had very little damage, and I was amazed when I heard what else had happened, but we really don't have any explanation. No dock doors on the west side of our building. That's the only thing that is different about our building from the other two.
The reason it's amazing is because Jamie's building where he works is bookended by the building that I just showed you, as well as the Kroger Pharmacy Distribution Center that's on the other side. That has a huge hole in the east side wall there. I'm told that 50 employees were working when the storm came through. Surprisingly, they weren't injured. That's because the wall blew out. It didn't come in. Back here live at the Walker Magnetics, nobody was working here when the storm came through, so nobody here was hurt. Local for you in South Columbus, Tyler Beckham, NBC4.
All right, Tyler, thank you for that update.